Hello, students, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, as you already know. And tonight, in this lesson, we are going to be working on one word, one little word, and one little word only. And that little word is nor. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because I see that a lot of my students don't know how to use nor. So let's clean that up tonight. Okay, using nor. You may already know that we use nor with neither. For example, he said that he can neither confirm the allegations nor deny them. Neither the teacher nor the students enjoyed the play. But if you didn't already know this, I will make a separate video to explain using neither and nor soon. So we're not doing that lesson tonight. We're not doing neither nor, we're just doing nor. Okay, because nor is a conjunction and is used to connect two or more negative ideas, it can be used without neither. Use nor after a negative statement to add another negative idea. For example, she doesn't drink tea, nor does she like coffee. Two separate ideas. He wasn't at school today, nor did he attend the football practice at 4 p.m. He wasn't there at the football practice at 4 p.m. My boss doesn't believe that all these issues will be resolved by the end of the week, nor does he expect any significant progress to be made. I can't find my glasses, nor do I remember where I last saw them. They didn't make an offer on the house, nor did they seem interested. And no kidding, look at that old, ugly house. I'm sure they weren't interested. She doesn't eat meat, nor does she like dairy products. He didn't call me this morning, nor did he text me. She wasn't qualified for the job, nor did she want it. Two separate ideas. I don't have time to go to the post office, nor do I want to go out in this bad weather. Bad weather. They weren't interested in our proposal, nor did they want to discuss it. I don't feel like going out tonight, nor do I have the money for it. She didn't return my calls, nor did she respond to the emails I sent her. He didn't leave a tip, nor did he pay his bill. Oh no. The guy left without paying the bill and without leaving a tip. That's terrible. I wasn't feeling well, nor did I want to go with them. He doesn't go to school, nor does he have a job. His wife doesn't work from home, nor does she want to. She didn't say hello, nor did she talk to me all night. He didn't show up for the rehearsal, nor did his brother. It wasn't funny, nor was it appropriate. The food wasn't good at that restaurant, nor was it cheap. The meat wasn't cooked enough, nor were the vegetables. You shouldn't spread rumors about people, nor should you be impolite. It wasn't his best performance, nor was it his worst. It was just okay. Nor can also be used to give short negative replies or with short negative phrases, just like these. She doesn't like spicy food. And you respond, nor do I. Now, why am I using do? Because I'm using I, and we're taking the negative and we're making it affirmative. So she doesn't, I do, right? So nor do I. So we just follow the same format most of the time, which we're going to see in a few seconds. They won't attend the ceremony, nor will we. So we take that negative, won't, which is the contraction for will not, and we make it affirmative, and it becomes will, nor will we. He can't swim, nor can Bobby. So can't, negative, affirmative is can. I don't worry about things like that, nor does he. Don't, negative, does. We're using does because we're using he. He does, nor does he. They don't have a car, nor do we. He didn't buy any tickets, nor did she. So didn't, negative, affirmative, did. They aren't angry about it, nor am I. So the verb to be in the negative form with they, we're using I, so it's I am, nor am I. She can't be there, nor can her sister. He didn't lend his friend the money, nor will he. So we can change the tense. It doesn't really matter. That would be past. He didn't lend his friend money, and he's not going to do it in the future either, nor will he. So that's okay. That works too. I don't eat seafood, nor does my husband. He didn't do his homework, nor did I. I haven't seen that movie, nor have I. That girl doesn't speak English, nor do her parents. Frank doesn't eat junk food, nor does his girlfriend. I don't feel bad about it, nor should you. I am not, or I'm not very hungry, nor am I. Okay, easy as that. You got it. So now you know how to use that little word nor. So if that video helped you, if you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel. You can put a like on the video. You can leave a comment down below, or you could just say hello. If you guys need to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 4th edition, published by McGraw-Hill and distributed everywhere in the world. It will be so easy for you to find online on any of the online bookstores or, of course, on Amazon. If you guys get a copy of this book, I want you to start on the first page, complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. It will really help you to improve your English very quickly. Just complete the book and you'll see. If you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, everybody tells me they have difficulty with their verb tenses. I don't know why. It's so easy. Probably one of the easiest things to learn in English is the English verb tenses. So if you're having difficulty, you can get yourselves a copy of this book, this workbook, available online and of course on Amazon. If you want to, if you get a copy of this book, I want you to start on the first page, complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. The answer key is also at the back to support you while you are learning. Great, so that's everything that I have to say, but I have another video that I'm going to shoot for you guys tonight. So for now, take care, and I'll see you shortly in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.